electronics. All about electronics.
Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel Just Do Electronics. In this video I will show you how to make a fingerprints based door locking system. This is my the programming finger. When I give into the programming finger, see the door is the open. After 3 seconds the door is closed automatically, and the green light also indicate your finger is the match, and the 16:2 LCD display the door unlock. See the door unlock and welcome. Suppose if I not applied the programming finger, I applied this finger, then see what happened. See the not valid finger, and the red light indicates. This video sponsored by the Next PCB. You just go to the Google and type nextpcb.com and open the first link. When you open the first link, the Next PCB site is open. See, is the Next PCB is the providing the very good quality of the PCB, and is providing the different type of layer PCB. I mean the 2 layer, 4 layer. If you want to the any type of the layer, then is please visit this site and you upload your Gerber file in this site. When you upload your Gerber file, the all data comes in like this, and it show the so many things. I mean you just change your PCB color, height, holes, and all the things you change the very easily. All details is given in my video description. Please let's make it all these hardwares. Okay, I will show the hardware parts. In this box I using the Arduino Uno boards and R301 fingerprint sensor and three indication light R, Y, I mean the green, yellow and the red. And this I providing the 12-volt power supply and using this solenoid lock. When the finger is the match, then solenoid lock open, and after 3 seconds is closed automatically. This is the small box. I put all the component in this box. In this box is looking really good. Okay, let's go and see the working of this project. Okay, let's go and see the demo state. I program my two finger, this one finger and this one finger. I providing my programming finger of the R307 fingerprint sensor. See, the finger is the detector and the green light indicate, and the 16:2 LCD display the door unlock and welcome, and the solenoid lock open only 3 seconds. After 3 seconds is closed automatically. I will show you again. See, 1 2 3. I using this R307 fingerprint sensor and 3 indication light and 116:2 LCD display. When I providing the finger, is the just second is the detecting and the open the door, and after 3 seconds they close the door. Suppose if I providing the non-programming finger, the display the not valid finger and the red light indicate your finger is not matched. This is the small box. If I provide my programming finger to the R307 fingerprint sensor, the door is the open automatically, and after 3 seconds is the door is closed automatically, and the green light indicate, and the 16:2 LCD display also door unlock and welcome message. Suppose if I providing my non-programming finger, not valid finger, and the red light indicate your finger is not matches. And if I providing my second one programming finger, the door automatically open. After 3 seconds is the door closed. I hope you like this project, and if you like this project, please hit the like button and share with your all the friends. If you new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.